Hi everyone, this video is on exercise 9J question 6. So we have the curve C with the equation y is equal to f of x. At any point P on the curve, the gradient of C is proportional to the product of the x and the y coordinates of P. The point A with coordinates 4, 2 is on C, and the gradient of C is a half at A. Now we want to show that dy dx is equal to xy over 16. Okay, so this exercise is all about identifying basically the words and then translating them back into maths. And also this is all about using differential equations. And this question is relatively easy, but it sets the tone for the next few questions which are more involved. So chances are in the exam you are not going to see a question like this, but you will see some similar question. So first of all, when it says that at any point P they curve, the gradient of C, so the gradient of C is just basically dy dx, right? So it's saying that at any point P, dy dx is proportional. So let's write that with the proportionality symbol, is proportional to the product of the x and y coordinates of P. Basically it just means x times y, right? Because x and y are the x and y coordinates. So this is what this line translates to mass. And now we can rewrite this as dy dx is equal to k times xy, because again this is proportional, so we can just use a constant to show the proportionality. And finally, the final objective is to find the value of k, because we want to show that dy dx is xy over 16. So we are nearly there, and we are hoping to get 16 for the value of k. And that brings us to the second line, which says the point A with coordinates 4, 2 has the gradient a half. So we can substitute those values when x is 4 and y is 2. Then dy dx is a half, that's given to us. Then k times x, which is 4, times 2. So now it's a simple equation. We have a half is equal to 8k, and k is equal to 1 over 16. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 1 over 16 xy. And that's exactly what we wanted to show. Okay, that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.